Hi friends, today we are making a budget-friendly Thai air fryer Christmas chicken, red curry drumsticks with a bright lime dipping sauce. It is colorful, crisp at the edges, and special enough for a holiday table, but still simple and affordable. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 45 minutes. Let us walk through the simple ingredients first. 8 chicken drumsticks give us a generous, budget-friendly centerpiece with lots of flavor and crisp edges. 3 tablespoons Thai red curry paste bring instant Thai aroma, color, and gentle heat without needing many separate spices. 3 tablespoons fish sauce season the chicken and the dip with that savory Thai depth, so a little goes a long way. 1 tablespoon soy sauce adds saltiness, color, and a rounder flavor to the red curry marinade. 2 tablespoons brown sugar balance the heat and help the chicken caramelize in the air fryer. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil helps the curry paste coat the drumsticks evenly and encourages crisp spots. 3 cloves garlic give the marinade a fresh, punchy backbone that works beautifully with curry paste. 3 tablespoons lime juice brighten both the marinade and the dipping sauce, which keeps the finished chicken lively. 1 small shallot brings a sweet onion crunch to the quick Thai-style dipping sauce. 1 small red chili adds festive color and a little fresh heat, and you can remove the seeds for a milder sauce. 1 cucumber makes the platter feel fresh, generous, and colorful for very little cost. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves finishes the dish with a classic Thai herbal lift and a bright green look. We begin the preparation by patting 8 chicken drumsticks dry, then making 2 shallow slashes in the thickest part of each drumstick so the marinade can season the meat more deeply. Now that the chicken is ready, mix 3 tablespoons Thai red curry paste, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 3 grated garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon lime juice in a large bowl. Add the 8 drumsticks to the bowl and turn them until every piece is fully coated in the red curry marinade, including inside those shallow cuts. Let the coated chicken rest for 15 minutes at room temperature, just long enough for the curry paste, garlic, lime, and fish sauce to start flavoring the surface. While the chicken rests, preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes so the drumsticks start cooking as soon as they go in. Place the marinated drumsticks in the air fryer basket in a single layer, leaving a little space between them. If your basket is smaller, cook them in 2 batches using the same timing for each batch. Cook the chicken at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes, until the surface begins to tighten and the red curry coating turns darker. After 12 minutes, turn each drumstick over, then cook for another 10 to 12 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit, until the edges are lightly charred and the thickest part reaches at least 175 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken finishes cooking, thinly slice 1 small shallot and 1 small red chili for the dipping sauce. In a small bowl, stir together the remaining 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons lime juice until the sugar mostly dissolves. Add the sliced shallot and sliced red chili to the sauce, then stir again so the crunchy pieces are coated in the sweet, salty, sour dressing. Slice 1 cucumber into thin half moons, and keep 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves ready for the platter. When the chicken is cooked through, move it out of the air fryer and let it rest for 5 minutes so the juices settle and the curry coating stays glossy. To close the cooking, arrange the rested drumsticks with the cucumber, scatter over the cilantro leaves, and serve the lime fish sauce dip alongside while the chicken is still hot. And there it is, budget-friendly Thai air fryer chicken that feels festive, colorful, and special without a big shopping list. The red curry glaze brings the warmth we promised at the start, the lime dip keeps everything bright, and the cucumber makes it fresh. Serve it with rice if you like, and if this Christmas-style dinner helped you cook smarter, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell.